Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's Keisha Baby. Today we are making an avocado, banana with flaxseed and also combined with coconut mask because my hair needed it. I'm telling you, the way how I use these flaxseeds, because flaxseed has protein in it, it also helps with stopping breakage to the hair, and the way how the flaxseed help to combine this hair mask together, it went perfectly. So as you see here, I've just straining out the flaxseed. I'm just getting all of that juice. That's what I want. I just want the juice in the flaxseed. On this flaxseed, actually, you know. So I'll be squeezing it out, using it. So as I'm doing this, let me just say, my hair needed this. I neglected my hair, and when I do that, I think I just neglected it for like 2 days. When I do neglect my hair, I know the best thing to do is run and go and make this hair mask. Run, quick. Get in the kitchen, go and see if you got avocado and some banana and some coconuts, and go and use this stuff. Like, this is a saver. Since I've been doing this in my hair care routine, this what is helping my hair to continue to grow. This is what's helping my hair to continue to flourish and nourish. Like, without this in my hair routine, my hair would have just been a no-go. But as you can see here, I'm blending up the flaxseed because I want the flaxseed a bit blended. It looks like egg yolks. It's given egg yolks mixed together. So I'll go in and cut my avocado. I think I used one avocado. in this hair mask. Normally I'd use 2, but because I didn't have the bigger cup size for the Ninja blender, I don't know where that's gone. I can't find stuff in this house. And I went in with 2 bananas. I used 2 bananas and I chopped them up. That's what I do. I chopped up the bananas. I didn't go in with a knife, cut them up. I just got the spoon and I dug it up because nope, I'm not doing that. That is very dangerous. The last time I did that, I nearly cut my hands, and we're not having no blood in this scene. So obviously you see me here still proceeding with putting avocado and putting the bananas inside with the flaxseed mixture, and I'm just pushing it down so everything can fit in and it can blend well and it's not too much, because I don't want it to fill the blending cup itself, because I didn't have the other one, which was the longer one. I don't know what happened to it. Kids, man, children, seriously. So anyways, I've added coconut milk, and this coconut milk is solidified because I want the cream. I used the cream. I didn't use the water. I didn't need no water. I just needed to use the cream. And as you see, I blended it, and I blend it well until it's really smooth paste. I blend it for a very long time until it's very, very, very smooth.
It's the little things, sun gleaming through, heart beating like the rhythm, ten lean in the roof rising.
As you can see here now, I'm looking at it and it's smooth. Just checking to make sure that there's no lumps in it, because we don't want lumps in it, because when it comes to washing this out, I'm telling you, you will have problems if there is lumps left in. I remember I did that, and when it came to blow drying the hair, I still had avocado bits left on the hairdryer, and then I think I did that with my children's hair, and we had to go back and rewash the whole hair. So you don't want that, make sure. So here I add some Jamaican black castor oil. I'm telling you, Jamaican black castor oil is the best castor oil to use. It really helps to seal the hair as well. This is optional as well, people. The next one, this is my hair oil that I've made. This is the Elias Naturals brand. But honey is also optional because I put honey in it. Vegan mayo, can't stress, vegan mayo, it helps with the slip.
Hallelujah.
So I'll just go in and I'm just blending everything in all in one. So obviously I'm just looking and making sure that this doesn't have no lumps in it. And I'm making sure I'm scraping every single piece of this. I don't play when it comes to this hair mask. This mask is what has saved my hair. If I didn't use this avocado hair mask, I'm telling you, I would have just done a big chop. I would have chopped off my head and I would have had it short. But because of this avocado hair mask, it saved my hair. It saved everyone's hair in this household. So yeah, I'm just making sure that I'm scooping everything out, and I'm getting this, getting my pennies worth. You know what I'm saying? Making sure I get my pennies worth. I don't play. So as I said, looking to make sure there's no bits in it, making sure that it's smooth so it goes well in the hair. And I just like to mix it, just keep mixing it by hand also. I just like to do it. I don't know why, and I think it's kind of satisfying just looking at it. Do you know what I'm saying? Like, oh, it looks so delicious, it's so nice, it's so creamy. And trust me, it smells beautiful even without the essential oil and all of that stuff added in.
Sun gleaming through, heart beating like the rhythm to him, lean in the booth rising.
Anyway, so yes, the honey is optional because some people don't use honey, but I need that honey because the honey also helps. I'm telling you, the honey does something. The honey's magic. It really like grabs the hair and it makes it so shiny and moist. It just moisturizes the hair. And so here I'm going with my clay sage, my essential oil. I'll put the clay sage in it. You can put any type of essential oil in your hair or in your fragrance. So here's me with my hair. I had to wet my hair. I always wet my hair before working in my hair. I never go in with dry hair. That is a no-go. That is how you break your hair. I cannot stress. So obviously I'm parting off my hair. I'm sectioning it in sections in 4 so I can go through with the avocado hair mask and distribute it evenly into my hair because I really want this to sit in my hair. And I actually went out with this hair mask. It looks like that. The reason why my face was like that because it looks horrible. It was so I had to detangle it, and I had a little bit of problems because I left my hair up for too long, and I didn't detangle my hair. So always go at the ends first and work your way up the hair shaft. I'm telling you, please don't go in from the roots. You're gonna cause breakage at the bottom and you're gonna lose length. You're not gonna retain no length at all. As you can see, I'm actually going up the hair shaft. I'm not going up to the roots. I start from the bottom, and I'm just distributing more to the other side because obviously I'm just trying to show you guys it's a quick thing. Oh, and that felt so good. I made sure I rubbed it into my scalp as well. The roots have to get some of that. It had to. It felt nice. And I really distributed a lot of the product into the hair because I want my hair to be saturated in it. Or my hair's gonna eat it up. As you can see, the back's looking dry as it is, and that's already been had the avocado and detangled. So that's an issue as well. But yeah, I'm putting more in. I was like, oh, this is dry, man, so I have to put more in. And I just continue to put a lot in. And sometimes I will go with my fingers and detangle it. But I was just like, on my days, like, I was so gassed. I was looking at my length. Like, my hair is really grown. And I'm really happy with the progress because of everything that I've been putting into my hair care routine. I've been looking after my hair. I did one blooper, which was dyeing it. I should have never dyed my hair just because I just wanted to go back to that brown. I was lusting over the brown, and look what it done to me. Yeah, it made me looking brown like a fool with some different hair type color. But yeah, I was just looking at my hair and enjoying it. So as you can see, I had a little issue. I had some build-up problems. As I said, I left it out. But I just love the fact that my hair, I'm starting to see what my hair likes. And it all distributed in my hair. And I went with a cap on my head. I didn't get snow images of it freshly like washed straight away, but I didn't have time for that because I came back late because like I said, I went out, so I was already plaiting it away. But that's the side that's freshly washed, that hasn't been touched, without no water or anything, and that obviously that side's been moisturized. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like the video, make sure you subscribe, show some support, heart emojis, and like I said, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you guys in the next one, and hopefully you can guys see more. But I'm just admiring my length, I'm loving my length, I'm actually happy, I'm retaining length, and you can now see it. Anyways guys, bye.